From dust motes, bacteria, chlorophyll, and amoebas, a strange and fantastic world surrounds us. Working with people around the world, Public Lab has developed an affordable way to peek into this hidden world. Using simple materials, we developed a do-it-yourself kit. Introducing the Community Microscope. It takes only 15 minutes to build, and it plugs into a smartphone or laptop. You focus it by tightening these bolts. And using a microscopic ruler, we found that you can see things as small as 2 microns wide, 20 times smaller than a human hair. If you're looking for something more precise, we have upgrade kits with better lenses and cameras. How did we develop this kit? Not only does it build on the work of open source science groups, but because of Public Lab's mission to address environmental problems that affect people, we also worked with communities who are facing air pollution they hope to photograph with these kits. This kind of collaboration is part of how Public Lab works. What exactly is Public Lab? 7 years ago, during an environmental crisis, the BP oil disaster, hundreds of people came together to collect their own data. Using just cameras attached to balloons or kites, they documented the disaster from a new perspective. This is the story of Public Lab, and we need you to take the next step. Community efforts like these only work if we build a broad, inclusive community of practice. That means we need activists, educators, hobbyists, and professional scientists to join in and work together. We need illustrators and writers to present these ideas clearly, engineers and tinkerers to refine the open source kit. How can you get involved? We're building a list of challenges and goals. Sign up for our kit today and help bring this project to life.